कल जो हमें देखने को मिला, जो छात्रों पे जो प्रोटेस्ट करने आए थे, स्टूडेंट्स पे लाठी चार्ज हुई, टीयर गैस छोड़ा गया, कैसे देखते हैं पूरे सिचुएशन को कल आप?
ये जो मिस हैंडलिंग बाय द स्टेट, बाय द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड द गवर्नमेंट, especially they are not even interested in discussing on the floor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi thinks that he is not elected by the people. He thinks himself that he is appointed by the God and he himself is a Vishwa Guru. First of all, he has to understand that his mandate is only 30+%. He is not having a distinction mandate to become the Prime Minister. The other thing is they are not letting the opposition to talk on the floor. None of the adjournment motions have been accepted and they want the house to run according to their interest. In regard to the student issues, in regard to the Jantar Mantar जो protest चल रहे अभिजीत दीपके का or maybe Sonam Wanchuk का, they have to sit with them long back. Their only demand is to remove the education minister, which they are not doing, and this is not right. And they have to understand, they have to do that.
Sir, also we talk about yesterday Rahul Gandhi said that this government, the Prime Minister is anti youth. How do you see that?
Yes,
PM is
we can.
anti-youth.
Yes, this is clearly visible. The way he handled the situation yesterday, that is not the way to handle. He has to give the chance. He has to let his ministers to go and meet them in the Jantar Mantar day before itself, before the parliament starts, because they haven't given chance to talk. Now, this issue has become a very serious, and this is the way he is handling the opposition. He is handling the students. He is handling all sectors of the people in this country.
Sir, also last question. Yesterday, a few people from CJP met JP Nadda and he gave the assurance of the protesting CJP that government will consider its demand and also including Pradhan's resignation. How do you see that?
This has to be done long back. Why is this situation today happening here? Why the situation is happening on the day one of monsoon session when the government is very serious about considering their demands? This was 21 days before they would have accepted this. This situation would have not been there in New Delhi yesterday. This is just because they ignore. They think that every issue will go with the time. There is no need to answer. There is no need to resign. There is no need to accept the mistakes.